Wall design idea for Playroom. Hooray! It's Melanie. Welcome again to our YouTube channel. For this design that I am doing on my wall, I took some ideas in Pinterest and some are from Google. And at first I wanted to do just squares, but I figured I'd like to see a house or some different shapes on this wall. So this is what I made. I use pencil to draw some of the circle and cloud and the house too, using the level, and I put the painter's tape to cover the lines that I wanted to paint. If you want to see another idea and a step-by-step on how to paint your wall, please check this video. My partner made a really nice DIY chalk paint for her playroom wall. So I'm starting to paint at the top, going down, and I make sure that I use one stroke. If you're using vertical, just use vertical. If you use horizontal, use horizontal so that it's not messy looking. Another tip that I can give you in painting your wall, make sure you have a towel, wet one, so that if something is dripping, you can wipe it right away. And that way, there's no mark that will leave, especially this paint is black. So try it out. For this circle shape, what I used to mark the area is I took my trash can, the circular one, and then I mark it, and I used the painter's tape to cover the line that I needed to paint. I figured to add a little bit of texture to this wall, so I added this cloud, and it looks really good on overall of this wall. So I just use pencil to draw a cloud and hoping that it will turn well. So I'm almost done for my first coating, and I will leave it for a day, and then I will repaint it again the next day, and after that it will be ready to go. Sorry for my husband's appearance here in this video, but please, if you like what you see, consider subscribing, click the red button, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified if we have uploaded videos. Okay, they're gonna peel the painter's paint. Let's see.
Luna, here, pull it.
Whoa.
Careful. Careful, baby. Hold it.
Yes.
Yeah, you do the circle, baby.
Oh, yes. Not perfect, but that's fine. What do you guys think of the overall look of this wall? Please comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for staying there, and please check out the DIY step-by-step wall that my partner made. I will be putting it in the end screen and in the card here and in the description below. Please check it out. It would be a step-by-step tutorial of how to make a DIY wall chalkboard. The final look! Yay! Very nice! We did it!